Oh my gosh. Whoa. It's Sunday, and I was gonna take down Christmas today, but as you can see, it's not just snowing. There is supposed to be like this really bad winter storm coming. Whew. And it, like, I just woke up. Like, I woke up and this is my backyard. And this is all within the last, like, I don't know, 2 hours maybe? It's really happening. So I'm gonna take as much as I can and go hunker down at my parents' house because the world's gonna end. I'm gonna be there. Okay, we are packed up and ready to go. Do you wanna see what my street looks like? Let me help you. Yeah. It usually takes me 25 minutes to get to my parents' house. It's 9:56. Let's see how long it takes. I pulled up the maps on my phone and maps says 37 minutes. So honestly, quicker than I was thinking. Maybe the highways are clear. I don't think they are because like I said, all of this just happened. And the weather reports were saying that the snow wasn't the problem. It was that it was going to be freezing rain and then freeze and then snow and then freeze rain again. So the problem is gonna be the layers of ice that are forming, not necessarily just like a bunch of snow, because a bunch of snow, you can handle that. It's the ice, especially underneath the snow. But I don't want like a polar vortex, but I will say if it's gonna be cold, I want it to be snowing. Like, I want it to look like this without the danger, I guess. Because when it's cold and then it's just ugly outside, like everything is gray and I haven't seen the sun in days and it's just cold, that just, ugh. Like it puts you in such a terrible mood. At least snow puts you in like a better mood, I think. 11:37, so like 40 minutes, and the roads were not good. They were not good. Look at this. Can you see, like, you can see it against my dad's truck. Like, she coming, right? You let us know. Hey girl, go girl. Noe, come here. I've got on 3 pairs of socks, sweatpants, snow coveralls. Can you see these? I'm wearing 2 long sleeve shirts, a sweatshirt, my jacket, my scarf, my hat, and we're gonna, Nolly, are we gonna go romp in the neighborhood? Go Nolly! Go girl! Yes girl! You pooping, bro? Bundled so hard I'm sweating. Nolly. Oh, you think because you did so good outside that you should get a treat? Okay. Some bacon. Up. Sock pair number 2 and 3. I'm keeping 1 pair on my foot, obviously. Ugh. Sweating. Ugh. Great job, Knowles. Should we eat some dinner? Wow. It's crazy outside. I know this is shocking, but I in fact could not go to work today. I woke up to get ready to brave the snow, and you cannot get out of my parents' neighborhood. A lot of the main roads have not been treated because it's still snowing. So from what I've heard, a lot of the plows are like trying to wait till it's stopping to kind of do a couple passes of the highways and more major roads, but my parents live in the suburbs, so we might be here for a bit. And I talked to my boss and then technically my boss at this contract early this morning, and I was talking to them and I was like, yeah, I'm not making it. And they also stopped production, so the workers on the line also are not, they didn't make them come in or anything like that. So, and part of my job is them. And if they're not there, you know, what can I do? So, a snow day. I have a meeting in a couple minutes. Nolly just look at the snow. Like, it's still snowing, but we've probably gotten like 9 inches or so. You can just see the top of the grill. And like the deck to like the concrete of the port or the patio, I guess, there's probably like a 6-inch drop. Like, it's a step, and now it's just flat. But because they shut down production today, I did hear that it might be moved to tomorrow afternoon, because this is supposed to go all day, and I have heard that they might also shut down the plant for first shift tomorrow, so things would kind of move from there. So I might have to go in tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night, depending on how this goes. So we'll see. I did get my dad's sled out of the shed though, because I'll be damned if this is the kind of snow we're seeing and I don't go sledding. Also, look at this mug. It's my dad's, obviously. I mean, an absolute gem. Short socks, long socks, thick sock, t-shirt, long sleeve, snow pants, sweatshirt, snow boots, scarf, jacket, hat, gloves. Let's go sledding. So the snow is really crunchy. We'll see how the sled goes. Here's our weapon of the day. Nolly. This wind is serious. Hey, Nolly. I definitely got some air. The perfect carved path. Oh man. Okay, this is too fast. Oh god! It's like a Jamaican bobsled. Smell you later. Okay, we're gonna attempt to go to work, but hi Noe. This is what the driveway looks like. That's what my car looks like. I actually don't, I have an ice scraper, I'm pretty sure. Oh! Trunk's frozen shut. It's an ice scraper with a glove. I changed to my snow boots. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to work, I guess. I was at work way later than I wanted to be today. It's almost 5, so, but we still have to go to the gym. My sister invited me over for dinner with her and the babies at 6:30. So we kind of gotta like bust the move. And I need to be at work at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. I don't have lunches made, so I'm gonna have to stop by the grocery. I'm leaving my parents' house tonight to go back home after all Snowmageddon. So I've gotta go to my parents' pack, get the dog. I'm gonna have to live a second life today. We did it. The good news is that I got done in time to make sure that I'm at my sister's by 6:30. The bad news is I learned I can do my leg day in a little under an hour if I focus. I usually take like hour 15 for leg day. So now I know it can be done, but if I have the time, I'm gonna take it. I also got a smoothie, that was the straw. Okay.
So what do you have to do first?
Well, your mommy's gonna read the directions. Hold on. Pause off. Oh, there are stickers.
The sticker. And this one.
Yeah, hang on.
What is that? Let me see it.
Oh wait, chocolate milk.
Stop. This thing goes under.
Chocolate?
Assuming that.
Don't press me.
Nope.
It's chocolate milk.
No, you don't need it right now.
So I just want to
This
see.
is that piece. Oh.
This smell.
When you're not using it. Okay. What did he say? She said?
I drank that and she said, what is that? And I said, chocolate milk. And then I gave her a kiss and she goes, you don't kiss me with chocolate milk? And I go, why? And she goes, because you smell.
And do pink for.
Oh, like we paint it and then do glitter?
You paint it.
Look at these little
So, and then you put those
in
in
there.
there and you hit you.
Look how cute that is.
Oh, for. Looks like I want blue and pink.
Okay, so I did her hand.
Yes.
Then I take this.
And you, what glitter do you want?
She wants pink glitter.
Funnel.
Ooh, a funnel.
I want
You just
pink
plug it in there.
glitter.
Put
I know,
that.
but you have to.
Oh!
That's if you want to create your own.
Oh, and then that's
You
what
want-
this is for.
Yeah.
What?
That makes
No, we're gonna do pink glitter, right?
Oh,
Okay. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
And then I just do this.
Yes.
Should screw
Screw it on.
Okay, and then it just sits.
Yep.
Yeah, and then you'll
And
have
then you
to.
pump it. Stick your finger in the hole.
Here.
Right on that thing.
You see? Yes.
There you go.
And then
Ready?
do what?
And then pump the thing. Keep your finger in there.
Anything?
Not yet.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh!
Perfect.
Look! It's beautiful. What do you think?
pump this.
Okay, next one. Next.
2 fingers. It's my turn.
Your 2 hands.
2 fingers.
Yes, sir.
This is so much fun.
I'm not
it goes everywhere.
It does. Your little fingies aren't long enough. Okay. Pinky.
This is my nails are good.
Yes. Do you still want pink on this side? You want different? You want purple or blue?
I want purple and blue.
Okay. How about this? We do purple nail polish, blue glitter.
Not to hit it too hard.
Yeah.
You smell like chocolate.
Yeah, just a little. Just. A
I
little.
get it. Okay. Put your finger on that little pedestal. Yep. Okay. Ready? Perfect.
Wow.
Yes.
Perfect.
Can you move it this way? Yes. Right there. We nailed that
That
one.
was-
All right, I've left my sister's house. I'm at the grocery. Plans have changed. I have decided to just stay at my parents' house because, as you guys know, my parents live very close to work and I have to be there at 5:30 tomorrow morning. So it doesn't make sense for me to try to go home tonight when my stuff's already there. It's 8 o'clock now and I can just go there, stay there. I can get my stuff tomorrow. But that way, I'm like a 10-minute drive from work instead of like a 35-minute drive. But we're gonna go to the grocery. We're gonna do quinoa bowls, which are so good. I forgot about them, but my sister made them the other day. She was like, I'm making your quinoa bowl recipe, which is actually one of my friend's recipes. But I forgot about it, and I was like, oh, that sounds delicious. I'll show you guys how I make it. It's just a bunch of, it's gonna sound silly. It's a bunch of whole ingredients. Like it's a can of beans, a can of corn, quinoa, onion, cherry tomatoes. Like it's whole foods together. And then I think for breakfast, I'm gonna try to do just a quick breakfast bowl. Like I'm gonna have to make it tonight. And some Kodiak cake muffins because we have to be there at 5:30. So I'm thinking 2 muffins at 5:30 or like on my way because I won't be hungry at 5 a.m. So 2 muffins then. That lady did not take her shopping cart back and then hit it with her car. You're a terrible person. So eat the 2 muffins on my way to work. We get a break. We're doing something tomorrow. There's like a audit and we have a schedule. So from 5:30, or well, technically 5:45, I think. No, whatever. Our first break is at 9, and then everyone's like, that's when I'm eating breakfast. So I'll save the breakfast bowl in my lunchbox so I can eat at 9, and then we have lunch at 12:30. I might grab some apples for like a snack, and then hopefully out of there at a decent time. I don't want to work 12 hours tomorrow. Let it be known, I do not have a cold brew preference. I just go for whatever's on sale. This one's on sale. We'll see how it goes. Quinoa, black beans. For my breakfast bowls, I'm debating on this turkey bacon or these are already cooked. So I could just throw these on top and not have to worry about cooking this. So I'm intrigued. These are on sale and the whole pack is 21 grams of protein, and one serving of the quinoa bowls is 20 grams of protein. So that puts me at like 40-ish grams of protein. For lunch, I try to do about 50 to 60 per meal, so I might grab the little yogurts and make that my whole lunch. What is even the difference between cherry tomatoes and grape tomatoes? They're all just the small, cute ones. It's 8:34. Who thinks I could be in bed by 9:30? Don't look at me like that.
We're a little behind schedule, but muffins. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Well, lunch is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Breakfast, shrimp to go with lunch. And then I got this cantaloupe. Remember I said I wanted an apple? I'm gonna take this cantaloupe instead. I saw the other day that on Instagram, my esthetician, who's also a friend, posted to like throw away your beauty blender. Like it's just gross, you can't clean it, whatever. So I threw mine away immediately, right when I saw her Instagram story. And I found this brush in my house, so this is now my concealer brush. We gotta get moved.
Hello. It is so cold outside. It's 22 degrees. Oh my God. It's so freaking cold. I'm exhausted. It's 3 o'clock. My boss let me leave early because we had to be there at 5:45. And now I'm gonna go home, grab Nolly, all the stuff that I left at my parents' house, go to my parents' house. Then I'm gonna go home, the real home, drop Nolly off. We're gonna go to the gym. Slam some caffeine because I'm freaking tired. It's 7 o'clock. I got home from the gym, put some stuff away, not a lot, I'll be honest. Laid out my clothes for tomorrow, took a shower, ate dinner, made my magnesium, and I'm gonna sit on the couch for like 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I hope I'm in my bed by 8 o'clock because I have to be at work again at 5:45 tomorrow, 5:30. That's really when I need to be there. Also, look at my new PJs. I asked for PJ sets for Christmas because I think they make me feel really put together. So my mom got me this one. It's got the cute little bow on it. It's 4:45. And I need to leave for work in like 20 minutes, I guess. Sometimes I pull up the map of where I'm going and I like hit go so I can see the arrival time so I know when I need to leave, just to make sure that I'm on time.
remembered to start my car, so that's a bonus. Let's go to work.
I'm so tired and I'm so cold. It is 18 degrees outside. And guess what? We're supposed to get 3 to 5 more inches of snow tomorrow. Actually, I think starting tonight, it was like starting 4 a.m. tonight, so technically 4 a.m. tomorrow, to like 11 p.m. tomorrow. So just almost 24 hours of snow. You know, I told you I went to bed at 9:15 last night. I want to go to bed at 9:15 again tonight. That would be so cool. I'm gonna try to warm up a little bit. I just put pre-workout in my cup. This is my favorite pre-workout. I talk about it all the time. But it has 300 milligrams of caffeine plus 5 grams of creatine. I take creatine every single day. The days I don't go to the gym, I put creatine in my magnesium at night because you need to take creatine every day. But when it's in my pre-workout, I don't have to think about it. And I don't have to have 2 tubs. Like, I keep this pre-workout in my car. And if I had a different one, I'd have to keep pre-workout and a tub of creatine. And my car is already messy. Now, Thursdays are usually my second leg day. But because there was like this snow day on Monday, couldn't go to the gym, threw off my schedule. I did my first leg day on Tuesday. And I want a little more space in my leg day, so I'm gonna go to CrossFit right now and do whatever they're doing there. And then I have sand volleyball at 6 o'clock. And then I wanna go to bed. Are you ever so tired you don't want to eat? I made my lunch, or like I packed my lunch, but when I was at my desk, I heated it up, whatever. And then it was on my desk in front of me, and I sat there and just stared at it. And I was like hungry, but I was so tired I couldn't eat. I was like, what? I did end up eating, just so you know, but. Okay, let's do this before I change my mind. Lord above, my sand game got canceled. So it's 5:40. Gonna head home to Nolly Girl. She needs to get her steps, so we'll figure that out. But I have a first form call at 6:30. So it's a secret. I can't tell you what it's about. Mostly because I don't know what it's about, but they just told me that I need to be on it. So maybe if I get home by 6, I'll just take Nolly for a quick 30. I think she needs it because, you know, she's with the trash. I'm not gonna lie though, I was really not in it to win it on my way to the gym, as you could have noticed. And this happens, I wouldn't say a lot, but it's just funny when it happens. Like the days where you're like, I do not wanna go, I'm so tired, I could fall asleep standing up, blah, blah, blah. You go, and like, I crushed that workout. I'm not gonna lie. And you know, exercise gives you endorphins. Endorphins make you happy, and happy people don't kill their husbands. So, I was like jamming, we had a good playlist, and I crushed that workout, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. And isn't it just funny how that happens? Come on. can't even see the sidewalks. I had ground beef in the fridge, so I just made up a marinade. Garlic, coconut aminos, sriracha. I looked up a recipe, it had like a little ginger in it, and then I have these onions. So that's what we're working with.
You know, one thing that I did, but you'll get a link to join that, but you'll get that invite, okay?
It's 9:06. I told y'all I was serious about going to bed like early tonight. I made my magnesium. I've showered, got my cute jammies on. I'm gonna read because one of my goals for 2025 is to read 30 books, which is roughly 2 books a month, 2-3 books a month. My family has a beach vacation every July, and I almost always knock out 3 or 4 books at the beach. So if I do 2 a month, obviously that's 24 books, but I know I can catch up on the beach if I'm behind. And like if I like finish 2 and I have like a 3rd to carry over to like a new month, or I'm very confident that I can do it. I just have to make the time. I'm a great reader, So I'm gonna drink this, I'm gonna go sit in bed, read my book, and then I'm gonna pass out. I don't have to be at work at 5:30 tomorrow. I can be in a normal time like a normal person. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Smile you later.